Hey y'all, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back. So to start off, please just excuse the mess that is behind me. My room is it's just a little messy today, but this is where we're starting off for my hair. I did already do a good majority of it, so I'm just gonna show you what it's looking like so far. This is what we got. And this is the length of them too. But yeah, so what I'm doing is Marley twist. I did do this before. This was like my first video that like really blew up a little bit, but this time I'm doing mini extra long ones. So just to like give you some more info, I'm sorry if I'm talking a lot, but like there's a lot of information I gotta get out. I have 186 locks, so I'm doing 186 twists. So they're very small because the first time I did them, it was like 75 twists. So we're doing 186, and this is the hair that I've been using. I actually had to go to the store today, and today is Christmas. So it was really hard to try to find a hair store that was open, but one was. So what is in my hair right now is 5 packs, and then I just got 2 more. Each pack is $10. So in total, I spent like $70 for this hairstyle, which is gonna last me a good minute. But yeah, so what I'm doing now, the closer I get to the top of my hair, I really want this hairstyle. I want it to like lay flat. So once I open it up, you'll understand exactly what I am saying. This is the hair, just opening it up. I'm really not trying to make this video too long, but there's just so much like I just gotta say to like explain it to you guys. And also before I did this, I did do a fresh retwist on my hair. I washed it and then I did a retwist, so like all the parts are all neat and my hair is clean and all the other good stuff. So this is what the hair looks like when you take it out, and it easily separates into let me just grab it from the bottom. Actually, it separates into strands. So for the back of my head, all the strands would be like this thick or whatever, but now the closer that I'm getting to the top of my head, I'm gonna start splitting these in half because the front can be a little bit thinner than the back. So I just take it and kind of gotta go fast. So then this will be for one twist in the front. And the way that I have my hair twisted, there's like a part down the middle, so my hair is parted now. So this is what my locks are looking like, and I'll insert a picture at some point in the video to show you what the whole retwist looks like. But I'm gonna grab hair from an angle that you'll be able to see. I'll do this one, and then I'll tie the rest of my hair back so that you can see it. Okay, so I'm taking the strand that I just split in half. Here is the other half, and this is how long the hair is. And then this is the strand. So basically I'm just gonna put it over the strand. And also, if your hair does loosen up a little bit like the roots, you can just palm roll it just a little bit so that it retightens. And then we take this, put it over our strand, and make sure it's pushed up as close to the root as possible because we want these to look tight. And then I just begin braiding. And I also found to make them lay even flatter, I braid down a little bit further than usual. I will usually braid it like 3 times and then start twisting, but I'm just gonna keep braiding till I get close to the end of my hair because braids lay flatter than twist, so I want the top of my head to like lay flat. So I'll just braid that a couple times. Also, if my hands are ashy, please don't pay that no mind. But yeah, I'm just braiding down a little bit. And then I do notice it is probably a little bit harder to blend your hair if your locks are a different color, so I just did black, which is easy. So also, when I first was doing the braids, my locks were sticking out a little bit because I wasn't really covering them. So once you get here, you kind of just take one of the strands, because we're going to start twisting it now. You just take one of the strands and kind of just wrap it around your lock so it's in between all this hair so that it doesn't stick out, and then you can just begin twisting it. And in order to get a neat twist, you don't have to do it like super tight at all. But as you're twisting it, just keep making sure that you just keep retucking your lock so that it doesn't stick out. And then you just keep twisting. And this usually, I'm just trying to think of how long this took me to do. Probably like 6 hours. Usually when I do this, when I used to do it, it's kind of sticking out. I'm gonna go back a little bit. But usually when I used to do my twist, they would never be this small, so it would take like 4 hours. But I guess just because they're so small and long, it's 6 hours for me. And then I had to go to a hair store. But yeah, I just keep twisting it. And the hair is a little tingly at the end, but it's really not that bad. You just have to make sure you rake your hand through it a little bit. And I'm telling you, actually having locks makes this so much easier than like going through and separating all your hair and stuff, because your hair is already separated. So, you know. I'm also going to try to film some videos of me like styling this hair. I know I did like, maybe I did like 2 videos styling my hair, but like I basically still kind of styled it in the same way. So I'm going to try to be more creative this time and see like all the different styles that I can do. And I'm really not that fast at doing hair, so if you are faster than me, then this should probably take you 4 hours instead of 6. But when I do my own hair, like, I kind of just get a little bit lazy. And for some of the strands, they don't end up being even, but that's fine for me because I kind of like the ends to look like this a little bit. And then we're gonna soak them in the hot water anyway, so that's fine. But that's just one twist. But yeah, they're all basically the same. It's really not that hard. It's pretty simple. But yeah, y'all, my locks are really locking up now a little bit. But I am trying to get like goddess locks. So I want the ends to be like coily. I don't want the ends to lock up. And then the other strand that we had ripped in half. Then we'll just go through and do that. And that's basically it. Towards the end of the video, I will answer some more questions, because y'all will be in the comments asking me the same questions that I answer in the video, just telling me that y'all aren't watching the full video. But I'll also leave everything in the description bar as well, so make sure you guys look there too, watch the full video and look in the description, because I will probably answer all your questions. But yeah, I'm gonna just speed through this and then I'll just show you guys at the end. So the hair was 40 inches. I used 7 packs and each pack was $10. I did use about maybe like 5 extra strands of hair that I had left over. But basically in total, I spent $70 on this hairstyle. And also, I know it looks like a lot of hair, well, because it is a lot of hair, but it was very lightweight. There was no tension. The style is very dense, but it's very, very light. And I ended up only double strand twisting the top of my hair. I didn't do the back because I was running out of hair, so I did double strand twist the top. So I guess if you don't, you would probably need, I would say, 8 or 9 packs of hair. But in total, I have 156 twists. I did sit down and count every single twist for you guys. And in total, it took me about 6 hours, roughly 6 hours to complete. But yeah, so it wasn't too bad, but like, it's going to take you a minute. So do not mind my white edges. I've been doing this for a while and they just start turning white. But as I got closer to the top of my head over here, I did just start 2-strand twisting some of my hair together because I was running out of the braiding hair. So I just twisted them together. So I have about like, I think I counted 13 or 14 left on here. So I finished splitting all the hair in half. If you can see, that's what it looks like. I split all the hair in half, and then I'm just going to continue doing the twist on this side, and I'll probably double strand twist some of the hair over here as well. Okay, so I finally finished my hair. I did actually have to use a couple strands, maybe like 4 or 5 strands of some old hair I had a while ago because I ran out of hair again. This is a lot. And then I did have to end up 2-strand twisting some of my locks on this side because it's just so many of them. But now I just use I guess it's like a tea kettle or whatever. I just boiled this with some water and I'm about to dip my ends. So this hair is also very thick. So also I can't find my Blistex. That's why my lips are so dry. But I might have to dip my hair in 4 different sections just because it's so much. But I'm just gonna dip these, and then I have a towel right here, and I'm gonna dip them up pretty high, maybe like up to here, because I really want them to be sealed and to get flat. So, and that's just about to go in. All of that in there, and then hold it for a couple seconds. Oh, it's journey. Check it out. And then next I'm gonna use this argan oil Style and Shine foaming mousse. My sister said it smells really good. It does smell good, so that's what we're gonna use. Oh, cool. And this is helping the hair to lay flatter too, as well as making it smell really good. And then of course, before I did this, I probably should have oiled my scalp, but I'm gonna go through with this. Just put it all over. And then the last step I'm going to do is my edges.